Hello, from Anthony Simmons here. I want to bring you another knot. This is the Veterans Wreath knot for Veterans Day. So let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. We're going to come over. We're going to put in a fold here, and we're going to bring it over to the center like that. Whatever fold you want to make, go for it. We're going to come underneath it like this, over the top, underneath it again like this. So we have this, and then I'm going to come over like so to secure it. All right, so we have this so far. So then what I'm gonna come is I'm gonna come through this one with this skinny end. I'm gonna tighten it up. And I'm gonna come through this bottom one right here. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this part. So I'm gonna, instead of bringing this thing all the way through, it's gonna kind of do a loop like that. I'm gonna leave it looped. So that's where we start to get our wreath here, because it's a Veterans Wreath knot. So I'm gonna do my wreath right here. Keep that open. So we have this going here, doing another wreath. And I'm gonna go through this. No, actually I'm not, I'm gonna go over that. So I'm gonna find this. I gotta open that up. If you want to put something in there, you can. I'm not going to, but you can. I'll put my collar down. So there you have that. So what I'm still not done with it, mainly because I want to make sure this stays. That might not stay very well because I'm not a tie. If you have more tie than that, then that's fine. But I might not. Let me put my buttons in. So if you want to see the picture of this, Simmonsessentials on Instagram. There you have it. Peace and God bless. Let me put this other button down. It'll help secure it. There you go.